Hey, it's Dr. Jenny here, and I want to talk a little bit today about toxicity. I feel like that's such an important topic now that we are hyper vigilantly cleaning and sanitizing everything we come into contact with. And don't get me wrong, I am for cleaning and keeping things, germ free just as much as the next person. But I am starting to see a trend, and it's my thought that some of this heightened use of cleaning products is contributing to people's health problems. And so let's talk about that a little bit. I wrote a blog article, so you can, if you want to read the full story, there's a link to the blog article down below. But basically, when we come into contact with all these cleaning and sanitizing products, it's our liver's job to clean out the things like bleach and ammonia and all of those cleaning products that while they're effective, they may be a little bit damaging to our health. So if you think of your liver as a big filter cleaning out toxins, that's what it's used for. Well, it also cleans out whenever we come in contact with food preservatives and additives that aren't good for our body, we have to filter those out. And when we drink alcohol or take a medication, be it prescription or over the counter, either way, we have to get rid of it through our liver. So our livers are really important, and sometimes I feel like they just can't keep up with what's going on with the increase in the use of all these cleaning and sanitizing products. And that shows up in things like people have been coming to me and their allergies are worse than normal. They're having hormonal issues that are worse than they've ever been, and digestive things that they think have been triggered by food sensitivities and whatnot. And so one of the, I guide people through a process when we begin working together, and one of them is identifying whether they're toxic. Another is identifying if they have nutrient deficiencies, and then we correct those things, and then we create a way to make those changes sustainable so that they can not only just get rid of the symptoms that they have, but be truly as healthy as they can be. So this is just something that I'm starting to notice, is that as we're using more things that have to be filtered out by our liver, some things are creeping in that in the past, maybe you just didn't reach the threshold with this because your body can handle so much stress, right? And once you just keep putting more stress, like an increased need to clean out toxic cleaning chemicals and stuff like that, once you keep putting in the bucket, at some point it starts overflowing, and that's when you start to see symptoms and your health that you don't like. So anyway, just a thought. There are some things you can do. I talked about it in the article, and that's going to be my topic for the week. So if you want to just stay tuned on my social media channels, I'm going to post some detoxifying foot baths you can do and just things like that. And again, in my podcast and blog, there's more information on that if you're interested. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.